What's up, everybody? With the Plant Guys, I'm Ryder.
I'm James.
And I'm Ty. And today we are doing a 24-inch moss hanging basket. And this is going to be a workshop. So if you guys like this, you guys can come in and do a make one yourself
With my mom.
with Deb
We'll also have some planted in store to purchase.
to purchase.
And this one.
And this one.
Yep.
This one's special. Might as well let you guys in on what we're doing here.
All right, so the moss basket, we're going to have vines coming out of the side.
So we are cutting holes like this one all the way through. It has to go through the plastic. If you don't have the plastic in here, the water runs away.
It's true. All right, so we have 8 holes cut. We'll cut 2 more just to show you how it's done.
And so the vines that we're putting in the side are going to come out and hang down, as you probably know already. We already fertilized halfway in.
Right here. Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we did fertilize them.
So we're going to put 10 vines in here. We have a light green Ipomea, or just a potato vine. This is a silver frost lamium. And we have a Georgia bronze Ipomea.
And I have a red wine lophis.
And creeping Charlies.
So we're just going to put these in here, and then we're going to fill it back up to the top with dirt and water it down again. And then we have 8 petunias going in. One's opposite.
Dude, that's the only one that I just put one in across from. Right, you want to get that for me? Thank you. What's this one?
Creeping Charlies.
Can I
Yeah,
get
got a
it?
bigger
Oh,
hole.
are you doing it?
And when you're putting these vines in the holes, make sure that the root plug part actually goes into the hole instead of hanging out.
And you can see that here.
All right, so here's what it looks like. For this basket, it's important that you pack the soil down, because if you don't, then the roots can fall out. So keeps them nice and secure and snug.
All right, so now we're going to finish filling up this basket with some dirt.
We use plugs for the sides, but if you're not and you're using something like a 4-inch plant, you cut the holes in an X, and you don't just make it a big circle. It'll fall right out. And yeah, we're gonna water this again and fertilize it again because it's so big, and then we're gonna pack it. Wow.
Is that good? Some fertilizer in
Get all that fertilizer in there. Oh, even another scoop. There is like 6 scoops of fertilizer in here. This is gonna grow so well.
Tell them it's a big basket.
It's a big basket. And big baskets
Now
call
more.
for lots of water and fertilizer.
Okay, now we're going to start with our 8 petunias. Yeah, 8. We got the Supertunia Mini Vista Scarlet and the Hot Pink.
And also the Supertunia Mini Vista Pink Star and the yellow.
Proven winners.
Proven winners. What's good? Hey. Oh. Dirty jeans. Dirty hands. Cleansed soul. Proven winners. Come on. We're still here.
Sponsor us.
We're still here. We're not going anywhere. All right.
Okay, you got that Scarlet.
Scarlets.
Pink star. Which one do we want in the middle? All right, so we're going 1 in the middle with 7 around it. You can't. It's just so weird.
Oh, you put them across each other now. You can't do 7 when there's 2 across each other. That'll have to be
Boom.
separately.
It don't matter.
OCD. Did you put in the hot pink?
Yeah, I got the pink star.
Oh, okay.
Anything else you guys want to add to it?
This.
Hot pink in the middle. Here?
Oh.
All right. You gotta give it another water down.
For this basket, we're gonna move what we just did. We're gonna spread them out a little bit more because these are really big. They grow a lot. We're gonna space this one out a little bit more.
James.
Dirt is packed.
So when it's in, it should look like that. Have all the vines around the side. And now we're just going to water it down again.
All right, one last water.
It needs a lot of water. All right, so for this basket here, we have our heavy duty swivel hanger so that
Spin it.
The
it
plants don't get
spins
wrecked.
and the plants don't get wrecked. Because obviously this thing needs a heavy duty hanger because of how big it is. It's 24 inches. Come on. Dude. I'm getting both at the same time. Yep, pull it up.
All right, this one will be for sale at the greenhouse, along with some others that we have made. But if you'd like to make your own, come sign up for the workshop at the greenhouse
This also does come with a free signature.
from the plant guys.
All three of them.
All right, well, this is our 24-inch moss hanging basket with 10 vines and 8 petunias.
It is indeed.
Tyler?
You know the drill. Have a good evening, a good afternoon, a good morning, whatever time it is for you right now. We're the plant guys. Thank you very much.
That's all right. Oh, I'm starting it? You said you started it. Okay. What's everybody?
Oh!
We'll put them in.
We're gonna. All right. So while they're finishing up, packing all this dirt into this big old 24-inch pot, I forgot what I was gonna say.